Namaste everybody, welcome back to the YogaCandi YouTube channel. Today I have another YogaClub Box unboxing because I loved my last box so much I wanted to do another one for you. So to tell you a bit about this company, you get 50% off of really high quality brands, things like Manduka, Jala, Teeki, Free People, Glyder, you name it. So it's really fantastic, and for a monthly subscription a box costs $79. For a quarterly it's $89, which works out to £60 a month or £68 quarterly, which actually is really great value for money. You get 3 pieces, you just have to fill out a really cute little style quiz, and then their stylist works out what they're going to send to you. And the great part, I mean, is that if you don't like something, you can actually return it and have it swapped for something else, so that's not a problem. But actually so far they've hit the nail on the head every time with me, so I'm sure they will do with you as well. And the best part about this company for me is that it's also got a give back program. So for every box that's sold, a child in need will get a yoga class, which I think is a really beautiful thing. So you know that your money's not just going towards beautiful clothing, it's also going towards a really good cause. So, shall we do this? Let's find out what I got in this month's box. Right, let's open him up. Really excited. So first of all, the box is really beautiful, and you can follow these guys on Instagram, Facebook, and when you get your boxes you can always tag them, and you never know, they might share your picture, which is also really nice. Let's take it out. So we have, this is perfect for the UK at the moment because it's getting quite chilly here. So we've got a black top, long sleeve top. Who's this by? This is by Glyder. Right, so that's really good. Let's see, we've got a lovely, oh, these are really pretty, some tropical patterns going on here, which I love. Okay, so this is also Glyder, and just for the bra is normally $58, so it's almost as if you're paying for the bra and the rest of it's for free. It's incredible. And then these pants to go with. I'm very happy you guys have done it again. This is really beautiful. So the pants are also by Glyder, and they are normally the pants on their own $74. So yeah, really it's incredible value, guys. Right, I'm gonna go try these on and let's see how they look, how they fit, how they feel, and I won't be a minute. See you in a minute. Ta-da! So everybody, this is what they've sent me, and it feels beautiful. It fits really lovely. I don't know how you guys do at Yoga Club. Honestly, you get it right every time. So I'm going to turn around so you guys can have a look at this outfit and see the back of it as well. So the back of this bra is also really pretty, I think. And then of course we've got this long sleeve black top. So I'm going to try this on. I just wanted you to see this first. So let's have a go. This is going to be perfect for the English winter, and also for now. It's getting quite chilly now that it's autumn. The thing I like actually is they've got really long arms on this top, so it's got little holes you can put your fingers through, which is perfect for yoga. Right, let's get this over without ruining my mic. So, just going to replace my mic quickly. And there we have it. That's the long sleeve top, which actually I really like as well. That's really nice. The thing that's really cool about this top is it's quite fitted in the waist. So when you're doing downward facing dog, for example, it's not going to be falling up towards your armpits. Oh yeah, that's really good. I like that. Well, Yoga Club, you got it totally right once again. And guys, if you're really happy with what you've seen and you want to give this box a try, then have a look in the description below. You can use my code so that you can get 20% off your first box. So head on over to yogaclub.com and try your first box. Why not? Give it a go. Right, everybody, I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. Until next time, have a beautiful day, week, month, year. I'll see you soon. Namaste.